everyone. So I know this is a little different on my channel. I am doing a fabric haul. This is video 1 of 2 because I have a lot of fabric. Since Corona, I'm not wearing any makeup, so I started sewing. So it's hard trying to find different fabric places, especially online. I live here in California, so we have the fabric district in LA, but there are some people that don't have fabric districts. So I thought it would be good if I share with you my finds of what I found. And if you live in California, near the LA area, then you can also go to the fabric district and see also what I purchased. So today's video is going to be only on fabric that I purchased from online shops only. So the first one I found is from Spandex by Yard.com, and they mostly sell a lot of stretchy stuff. They're fabric stores for like dance fabric. You can make bras, leggings, stuff like that. More like sportswear. So I only purchased 2 things from them because I wasn't sure how the fabric would look or how it would feel. So this is the first one I have. And these are butterflies. I've seen this fabric somewhere, but I couldn't figure out where. So it does have a stretch to it. This is a 2-way stretch. It's not a 4-way stretch. So, and the other, I just got black spandex. And I am actually going to use the butterfly one. What am I going to make? I'm going to make a jacket with it, and I'll probably make some pants with these. So the next items that I'm going to show you, I actually got from Etsy. So let's see. And I am going to make face masks with the fabric that I'm about to show you, and they're not big. So let's see. And this is by Elastic and Fabric. So this is from Elastic and Fabric store. And my sister is a nurse, so I'm going to make this for her. Just so you know, the fabric, it's not, I don't know what type of fabric this is, but it's textured. If you can hear that, it's textured. And I got, I think 3 or 4 designs. So this one is Nurse's Life. And I got Black Girl Magic. And I bought 2 of these. And the last one from this shop is Black Queen, which I love. And these will only be made for the front part of the elastic, and they're pretty thin, so it is breathable material. So the next fabric I'm going to show you, this is the only thing I got from this company, and this is actually a neon yellow. And this is also from Etsy, and it's called Fabric Supplier, and this is lining fabric. So I plan on making me a 2-lace skirt, and I am going to make a skirt with this to line it. So I have been interested in making circle skirts and making different things with African fabric, And this fabric I am going to show you, I have been looking for months for this design. Look at that. It's actually green and it's a hot pink. And I purchased this from the shop called Shop African. Okay, so more African fabric, and this I got from House of Mami Wata. Look at the design. And it's also cotton. This, I think this one is not waxed, neither. So this is another fabric from House of Mami Wata. And this is a turquoise with blue, because I don't know how it's showing on the screen. And I'm definitely going to make a skirt, but I also want to show you it has detail at the bottom. So it has a nice print at the bottom. So I would definitely make a maxi skirt with this one. And I have one more that I got from this Etsy shop. And this is considered a light purple. And this is wax. If you can see that it's really shiny. So that's how you know that it's wax, because these are thicker and they're shiny. This is light purple and it looks sort of purple, but actually it looks like a magenta purple looking color. It's a weird color. So the next shop is online. It's not on Etsy. And this is called Slp Fabric. So, and this is what I got from Slp Fabric. And this is called the Emoji Fabric. This is actually called Bullet Fabric. So if you're new to fabric, bullet fabric, it has texture to it. So these have like little squares to it. It's not smooth cotton fabric. And with this, I am going to make a lounge jumpsuit. So the next two is sweater material. And this is it. And I'm actually going to make, I have Mimi G's new pattern, one of her tops. So I'm definitely going to be making two tops from this one. I'm going to make one from this one. And I love this because it has the Gucci color. And I'm going to make me a belt with this green and red. I also bought the black in that sweater material. And this is lightweight. This is not heavy material. It's really lightweight. So the last thing I purchased from Slp Fabric was denim, and here it is right here. And this is the dark denim. I forgot what weight this is. This is lightweight. It's really thin. It's not the thick denim. And I'll probably make some pants with this and some shorts because I don't have any denim shorts. So that's it as far as my fabric haul for online retailers that I purchased fabric from. And I will see you on the next video, and I will also list links to each one store that I purchased. So until the next video,